In an attempt to enrich this year's Happy Chinese New Year event to help carry forward traditional Chinese culture, and in response to the current situation of the global pandemic and the needs of online activities, the iconic Yue opera, A Dream in Red Mansions, will be live-streamed to the world across all major video platforms at 5 p.m. Beijing time, 10 a.m. Belgium time on February 9, 2021. This performance, celebrating the 50th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic ties between China and Belgium, as well as the Chinese New Year, is hosted by the Embassy of the People's Republic of China in the Kingdom of Belgium and the Mission of the People's Republic of China to the European Union, directed by Shanghai Municipal Administration of Culture and Tourism and organized by China Culture Center in Brussels and Shanghai Yue Opera House. Stay tuned. As one of the four classics of Yue operas, A Dream in Red Mansions is an original repertoire of Shanghai Yue Opera Theater. Since the birth of the classic version, there have been several different versions of performance over the past 60 splendid years. As to this Asian theater stage version, a total of 11 performers will play numerous roles in the show, which not only reproduces the traditional performance style of one person playing several roles, but also creates a miniature-like stage presentation. The performing venue will be moved to the stage of Buffer Terrace in Yuyuan Garden, a traditional landmark in the heart of Shanghai. The performance will bring an exquisite, dynamic, classic, and immersive viewing experience of Yue opera to audiences in Europe and beyond.